Graph trig inverses using parametric equations. Let's graph y equals cosine x with parametric equations. We will use this window right here. Go ahead and graph. Graph its inverse by interchanging the x and y. Notice that the inverse of the cosine function is a relation, not a function. We will illustrate that these are inverses of each other by showing that if a comma b is on the blue graph, b comma a is on the brown graph. So we'll trace to t equals 0. We get the ordered pair 0, 1. And if I press the up arrow, it jumps to 1 comma 0. Here we'll trace to t equals 1. And we get this ordered pair. And if I jump to the other graph, I get its reverse. Also illustrated right here. Let's graph the line y equals x and show that these two graphs are symmetric about the line y equals x, as illustrated here with these 4 pairs of points. Let's show this in a table. And you can see that the ordered pairs are reversed in each case. Every single ordered pair reversed. And what about the inverse cosine function? Let's graph that in pink. You can see that it is a function. And what about the sine function? Similarly, we summarize it right here. If you would like to do something like this with your students, check out the links to the PDF and Word documents in the description for this video. And for other related videos in this series, check out the video links on the screen.